Hey guys, welcome! We're at the Budds Creek Valley Sports Center for motocross. It's a great place, lots of ups and downs, elevation like you wouldn't believe. 125 cc's sit behind me right here, ready to scream like an eagle around the track, passing those lame ass 4-strokes. It's gonna be one hell of a weekend here. Grab your tickets and come to the show. Okay, Queen's going on or what?
Cool kids out here.
I'm about to.
Cool kids out here.
Doug and Carrie are in here. Come right on over. We'll do a key features episode with some barbecue chicken. Come on. Here we are with the man, the myth, the legend, Chief Renzland, flipping the chicken. See right there? That's not burnt. That's seared just the right amount to get a little bit of crunch in your teeth. We got this, the thinner pieces are getting done. Oh, close it, get the smoke in there. Just working up the flavor.
Off limit!
Why does he complain all the time? How do you put up with this?
Yeah.
Oh, I hurt my feelings.
Someone needs to tell Adam that calling the kettle black is not a revelation, it's just a fact. So when someone says he's got a marketable personality, it's just a fact. It's marketable. It's the personality that's marketable.
Yeah, I want to try to keep it right there. So I want to tape it just.
We hours and 15 minutes on that one. On that one. Same place.
Things you have to do.
Here for another episode of Key Features from Budds Creek, Maryland. We're here at the first key feature, Henry Hill. Throw the knee out, throw down a little scrub, and get the power to the ground down the backside.
If it doesn't rain and it dries, it's going to be like...
Dipping down this hill, kind of like Screw You last week. Downshift, downshift, downshift. First gear around this bend, and then you're coming up. Get your weight over the gas cap.
That's what we do. Good job. That's what we do.
Do I have to come up with another name of who I am for key features? We got Randy Saltine on karaoke, Dozer on the dirt bike, and who's this new guy?
I don't know.
We might have to name him. We might have to birth him right here on the vlog. I was wondering if I need to come up with a name for this guy.
The vlog guy. We got Randy Saltine on karaoke. Dozer on the track. And we don't have a...
That, I have no idea yet. I
feature guy.
don't know. What do the fans think? They're watching it, so.
It's up to them.
Adjust your exposure.
Okay, we are back here.
Budds Creek Review.
Okay, we are back.
What? How we doing? We taking off?
Taking care of me. Hotel GMC.
Oh, GMC in. Weekend number 2 for Big Luke. Right on in there, boy.
Where'd all the time go? Starting to fly.
Let them know.
What are we doing?
What's the next one?
Two-stroke.